Okay, good boy, good job. Over. Up. Okay, one paw, good. Oop. Connected again. In here, tuk tuk. Other side, down. Let's put it there. Nice and clipped in. Good. What's it say? Look at that. Pooping already? Now we're rolling. Come on, bud. I know, so many smells. Oh, the woodland trail. Nice. And Leroy's fully up and everything, huh? Always. Right, bud? Oh, it's dark as hell. Alright. 250, 160, 125, 1 over 100. Oh yeah. Dope. What a walkway. Woo-wee. Look at that. Wow. That is unreal. Huh? Unreal. Oh. Alright, 15-minute walk to these falls. Should be good. Forgot my water, but it's okay. Car's not far. 15 minutes? Easy. Easy, easy. We're out at Bridal Falls, taking a look. Yeah, it says it's a 15-minute to the falls. It's all uphill, which will be fine because after we're all tired checking all the falls out and stuff out over here, be a nice easy walk downhill. So let's keep going. Nutty boy, hey, right here, look at me. Look over here. Okay, come down. Come down. Good job. Oh look, stairs. Oh, can't even see it. Wow, we're here, Bridal Falls. That looks amazing. I'll see if I can get a closer video shot of that. Just can't do it on the GoPro. Maybe I'll try it on the Nikon. But that. Whew. Oh man, the photos of here, amazing. Let's, yeah, absolutely stunning. Definitely if you are in the area, come check out Bridal Falls. Absolutely unreal. Absolutely. So I forgot I had my telephoto, so I'm gonna hook that up. Okay, check these shots. Oh, can't see it because it's dark. Oh yeah, kind of see it. Ah, there we go. Ooh, some nice close-ups there. Nice. Hi, doggy.